Over the next 5 to 10 years, our goal is to expand Repipe nationally.
Not only all across the country, but in the services that we provide for domestic water, for drain, waste, and vent, for fire suppression.
Because we believe this specialty is critical for people to get the service they really want and need when their pipes begin to age and corrode, or when their water begins to smell or pressure begins to struggle.
Garden-style apartments in HOA communities, we're doing it in high-rises, we're doing it in hotels.
We love plumbing, and we are plumbers by trade, but our specialty is coming in and repiping your home quickly and efficiently.
From Virginia to Florida to Illinois to Texas to Oregon, Washington, California to Hawaii, and everywhere in between.
And taking what could be a scary process and making it a delightful experience.